kindly request the esteemed dignitaries to...
Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron inaugurate a new consulate in Marseille, a port city in southern France. The two leaders received loud cheers as they opened the diplomatic mission on Wednesday. Marseille holds special significance for the Indian independence movement. It was here that revolutionary Vinayak Damodar Savarkar attempted his escape from the British ship HMS Moria on July 8, 1910. Savarkar had slipped through a small window and swam to the shore, where he was captured by the French authorities. Savarkar was then handed over to the British. The incident triggered a huge row, with activists questioning Savarkar's arrest. The British later exiled him to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and imprisoned him at the cellular jail. On his arrival in Marseille, Prime Minister Modi hailed Savarkar's escape bid. He also thanked the people of Marseille and the French activists of that time who demanded that Savarkar not be handed over to British custody. The Shiv Sena UBT welcomed Prime Minister's move.
वीर सावरकर जी के लिए वो एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हिस्ट्री का एक प्रोमिनेंट फिगर हैं, फ्रीडम फाइटर रहे हैं. हो सकता है उनके रास्ते अलग हों फ्रीडम मूवमेंट में, पर उन्होंने भी योगदान निभाया है. वो देश की जनता भूल नहीं सकती है. तो अगर वहाँ पे जाकर उनको सम्मान दिया है, मैं नहीं मानती हूँ कि इस पे किसी तरीके की राजनीति होनी चाहिए.
Congress leader Udit Raj slammed Prime Minister Modi for paying homage to Savarkar, calling him an agent of the British. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has been a vocal critic of Savarkar in the past.
इंदिरा गांधी जी ने बोला कि सावरकर जी compromised with the British, wrote a letter to the British and asked for forgiveness from the British. और उन्होंने बोला, इंदिरा गांधी जी ने बोला that गांधी जी जेल गए, नेहरू जी जेल गए और सावरकर जी ने माफी मांगी थी.
Savarkar legacy remains contested even decades after his death.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.